if you know you will have a high tax bill this year because you made a pretty good penny, then that's great. But if you didn't tax plan, then you have a problem. A lot of people are not informed that they need to tax plan in order to lower down their tax bill before December 31st. So I'm going to give you 3 strategies right now that you can implement before the end of the year. The first one, if you have any bills due right now, pay them off. Any expensive, pay them off. Expenses lower your tax bill. Number 2, if you have bills in the future that you know you have to pay, for example, my marketing is every month $1,500 in my daycare business. If I want to lower my tax bill now, I will pay that ahead of time now before December 31st because it will be a tax deduction this year, not next year, even though you paid for the whole entire of next year's marketing, for example. And finally, if your business requires a car right now, you need it for the children, you dropping and picking up, anything in that nature, buy it this year, 100% tax deduction. While it lasts next year, it will not be 100%, it will decrease. So those are 3 things that you can implement right now. And make sure you do payroll before December 31st. And that's the 4th one. So I hope this is helpful. I hope this will be able to lower your tax liability. And next year, just come to me and we can tax plan